Hi guys and welcome back to the channel. Not so long time ago I have stumbled across this microwave oven, so I decided to pick him up. Now while I was coming home, I had decided that would be a great idea to make a turntable out of it. Well, you may ask, how can you make a turntable out of a microwave oven? Well, it's quite simple. Mostly microwave oven, they have already a turntable built in. Like that, while the microwave is in use, the food or what you put inside will heat up evenly. And this will be from the catalog what you can do from. So this time we will be seeing what we can do from a microwave oven. Like example, a turntable. For the switch of the turntable, well, we can reuse the old switch which is containing the timer switch, and also it will be quite easy to make a turntable out of microwave. Before we start building the turntable, I have to warn you guys that this is a 220 to 250 volts main voltage appliance we are working with it here, as if you decide to replicate what I'm doing in this video, it will be your responsibility. You have been warned. So let's flip the microwave and retrieve the precious synchronous motor which lies beneath the microwave. You just have to flip this small metal door and there it is, the motor. And also let's dig a bit further to retrieve the switch. As that one, like I said, it will be used to turn on and off the turntable. I know I could get a smaller switch to do the trick, but in this video we're gonna use only the parts from a microwave oven apart from the case. And for the case, well, I got an old ATX case lying around and I think it will be perfect for this project. But firstly, let's see if the motor is working by firstly connecting a DVN to it and try to turn it to see if it generates a bit of voltage. And as you can see, it's generating some voltage, quite a lot. Now this motor, it's a synchronous motor, meaning that it will go sometimes anti-clockwise and most of the cases clockwise. But the way it's turning doesn't matter. And also the switch, because it's containing a manual timer built in, will be acting as a safety mechanism. In case the unit is in operation for a long time, or I may forget to turn it off, it will cut out automatically by itself. Now let's prepare the case, and for that, like I said, I will be using this old ATX power supply which I was having lying around. First order of business was to mark all the holes for the switch and as well the motor, and then following that up with the drill and drill all the required holes. Then we can install all the parts. And after closing everything up, here we have it. The turntable is ready. Let's test it. And also I found a different support for this glass plate which was coming from a different microwave oven. Let's insert that one in it and let's place the glass plate on top, and here we have it. Now the purpose of this turntable, it is basically when you want to present something, you want to cover all the angles. Like that you get the best shots possible. And also this turntable can be used for advertising as well, because the purpose of showing a product or something you have built for sale, for retail, and also different uses. This video has come to an end. I hope you find this video interesting and I hope I will see you all in the next one. Till then, have a good day and thank you very much for watching. See ya.